An MPLS file orchestrates the playback sequence on a Blu-ray disc. It's the playlist that determines which clips play and in what order. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these Blu-ray playlist files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful MPLS file inspection tool. An MPLS file is a Blu-ray disc playlist file that defines the playback sequence of video clips on a Blu-ray disc. It specifies which M2TS video streams to play, their order, chapter points, and playback conditions according to the Blu-ray Disc Association's BDMV file system specification. MPLS files follow the Blu-ray Disc Association's BDMV playlist specification, storing a sequence of play item entries referencing M2TS clip files. Each entry includes in and out timestamps, connection conditions, and still mode settings. Files are stored in the BDMV playlist directory of Blu-ray discs. The application responsible for generating the MPLS file is typically VLC Media Player by VideoLAN project. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows plays supported files reliably, but unsupported ones must be played using external applications. Your key initial action: right-click the MPLS file and select Open With. If VLC Media Player is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the MPLS file opens. If you still can't open the MPLS file, it's okay. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this MPLS format is causing you grief. First, play with VLC or PowerDVD. MPLS files can be played using VLC Media Player or CyberLink PowerDVD. In VLC, use Media, Open File, and select the MPLS file from the BDMV playlist directory. VLC will parse the playlist and stream the referenced M2TS video files in the defined playback sequence. Next, use MakeMKV for disk ripping. To convert Blu-ray MPLS playlist content to MKV format for offline playback, use MakeMKV. The software reads MPLS playlists from Blu-ray disc or disk image backups and converts the referenced M2TS streams to a single MKV container preserving video, audio, and subtitle tracks. And finally, browse BDMV structure manually. If playlist playback fails, navigate manually to the BDMV stream directory and play the M2TS files directly in VLC. Cross-reference the MPLS file contents using a text editor or Blu-ray playlist analyzer tool to identify which M2TS clip numbers correspond to the content you want. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.